Very good morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class. So we completed first chapter, large numbers. What we learned in first chapter? It is large numbers. It is Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. How to write the numbers according to the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So there are three periods in international system: ones, thousands, and millions. And Indian system, four periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. That is Indian system. Then what you learn? That one, it is rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers nearest to tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. And next, Roman numerals. How to convert the Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals to the Roman numeral. These and all you learn in first chapter. And what they are given here, for every chapter they are given about one mathematician. Here in this first chapter, they are given about James Joseph. James Joseph Sylvester. He is a great mathematician, English mathematician. Okay, children. So he is the founder of American Mathematics Journal of Mathematics. Journal of Mathematics. He is the founder, and he researched on the number system, on the theory of numbers. So whoever the Royal Society of London instituted the Sylvester Medal in his memory to encourage research in mathematics. That is about Sylvester James Joseph Sylvester. And next, it is math lab activity they are given. That one we'll do afterwards, children. That understanding both the Indian and international system of numerations. Okay, and we'll come to the next chapter. That is chapter 2, addition and subtraction. Already you learn the additions. You are learning additions from the grade 1, right? It is with the single digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. But now in 5th standard, that is large numbers additions. See, whatever the number additions, there are two types of additions. So that is addition with regrouping and addition without regrouping. So I'll revise once the additions. Okay, what are the, if 5 plus 2, if you add 5 plus 2, you'll get 7, right? What is 5 and 2 are called? 5 and 2 are called 5 and 2 are called add-ins. This also you learn in 4th standard. Add-ins. 5 and 2 are called add-ins. What is 7 called? Answer of the addition is called sum or total. It is sum or total. This already you know that one. Now here what they will give in 5th standard, it is additions without regrouping, with regrouping with the large numbers. Large numbers means you know up to 9 digits, right? So we'll take one 6-digit number. I will take the number as 6, 3, 1, 4, 7, 5. 1 6-digit number I will take. And here 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. Not 4, it is 3. Add the numbers now. 5 plus 2. Every time while doing the additions, you have to come from one's digit only, one's place value only. One's place value, what are the numbers? 5 and 2. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, how much? It is 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. And 4 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. See, anywhere you are getting the carry overs? I mean two digits in one place? No. We are getting only one digit everywhere. 5 plus 2, 7. It is 7 is a single digit number, right? So you are getting without carry over. You are not getting any two digits. If you are getting two digits, you have to write the carry overs. You used to write, right? That carry overs are nothing but it is will call it is a regrouping. Okay. This is called the addition without regrouping. Without regrouping, without carry overs. Okay? Without regrouping. If any number, I'll take only the 4-digit number. It is 7, 8, 4, 3. Okay, 5-digit number I will take 8. Okay, and I'll take it is 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 3. You have to add now. See here, this is the add-ins, both the add-ins you have to add. You have to come from ones place value only. You have to come from ones place value only. 3 plus 8. What is the 3 plus 8? 11. You have to write 11 here only. Don't write. So you have to write only one digit in one place. See here, two digits you are getting means you have to, the tens number is there, no? It is 11 means this is ones, this is tens. This tens number, you have to add it in tens group. 11 means 1 is carry over. That is, we are regrouping the tens value into the tens. Now tens I will add. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. This is 12 tens. 12 tens is how much? 12 tens? 120. That means 120, right? 12. 12 you are getting, 12 tens you are getting. That means 2 is here, 2 tens we will write. 1 10 is hundreds. So I'll write 1 as carry over. That 1 hundreds in hundreds group, I'll regroup. Okay, regrouping. Now 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 1, it is 15. Again 15 hundreds you are getting. So hundreds place value only I will write. 15 hundreds means 5 hundreds. Here only I'll write. The 10 hundreds is nothing but it is thousands. That is 1,000. That carry over. See here. Here 5 plus 7, it is 12. 12 plus 1, it is 13. 13 thousands. 13 thousands means 13 thousands. Here 13 thousands means this is 1,000, this is 10,000, right? So 1 I will add in 10,000's place. Regrouping, that I'm regrouping the 10,000s. I'm sending the 10,000s into the 10,000s place. Remaining thousands only I will write here. That 3,000 thousands I will write here 3. Before that, we used to call this one as a carryover. Just you will add 2 digits, you will get. You are not supposed to write the 2 digits in one place. So you will write only the one number here, one more number. You are doing that one as a, you are writing as a carryovers. So here now we will call it is regrouping. So now 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12. 12. So this is addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. So even you learn the properties of additions. What are the properties of addition? If you add 0 to any number, what you will get, children? You will get same number. If you add 0 to the any number, you will get the same number. That is property 1. What is next property? If you are taken the two numbers, you can change the orders also. See, instead of 4 plus 3, I will take 3 plus 4. What is the answer? 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. You will get the same answer. If you change the order of the numbers also, you will get the sum as only 1. So that is the property number 2. What is property number 3? You learn in 4th standard. If 1 is added to the any number, 1 is added to any number, what you will get? That is successor of that number. So before that you are in 4th. So 1 year is added. Now you succeeded. You are coming into the 5th standard. That 5 is called the successor of 4. If 1 is added to any number, you will get the successor of that number. That is properties of numbers. Properties of addition. Now subtraction. Subtraction also. Subtraction also. You learned in 4th standard. If any two numbers subtracted, 4 minus 3, what is the answer? 1. What is this number is called? See, the number which is subtracted from any number, that number is called minuend. What it is called? Minuend. And the number which is subtracted, that is called subtrahend. That is called subtrahend. And the number, what is the result of the subtraction? It is called difference. What is the result of subtraction? It is called difference. The number subtracted from any number, the number is called the minuend. And the number subtraction number is called the subtrahend, and the result of the subtraction is called the difference. This also you learn in 4th standard, right? So what they will give here? They will give that one as usual, without regrouping and with regrouping. Without regrouping, they will give the 4 digits values. That's not 4 digits, 7 digit value, large numbers they will give. 7, 3, 8, 9, 6 minus 3, 2, 6, 3, 4. What is the value? See here, 6 minus 4, you can do it easily, right? So 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 3, it's possible. Big number minus small number, it is possible. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. So this is minuend, and this is subtrahend, and this is difference. This is the subtraction without regrouping. No need to regroup the numbers. With regrouping means what you will do? So I'll show you with the 4 digit number. 7, 3, 6, 2, 2, 8, 2, 8, 9, 3. Now what I will do is 2 minus 3. Say 2 is small number, 3 is big. So small minus big, it is possible? Small minus big is possible? No. What we have to do? So I will take, from the tens, I will take 1. So 1 10 I am taking. 1 10 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So here 12. Now 6 will become 5. 12 minus 3. It's possible now. Say from that 12, if you subtract 3, you will get 9. Now 5. 5 minus 9. So 5 tens minus 9 tens. It is not possible. Small minus big. So what we will do? From the hundreds place, we'll take 1 as carry over. That means you are taking 100. 100 plus 5 tens. So it is 15 tens. It is 15 tens. 15 minus 9. 6. 6. Now 3 will become 2. Why? Because from the 300s, 100 we are given, no? So that's why 3 will become 2. Now 2 minus 8, it is not possible. What we have to do? We will take, before that we used to say that one it is borrowing. But now we have to say it is regrouping. We are regrouping that number. We are taking the from the other place value. It is from the thousands, I will take 7,000s are there. 1,000 I will take. That is 1200s. 1000 is 10 hundreds, right? 10 hundreds plus 200, 1200. So 7 will become 6. 6 minus 2. It is, sorry, 12 minus 8. It's 4. Now 6 minus 2, 4. This is the difference. This is called subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Just you know this one with the 4 digits and 5 digits up to 7 digits you learn in 4th standard. Without and with regrouping. That is the revision. So here what you have to do. What is the properties of subtraction? Again I have to explain that one. Properties of subtraction. What is properties of subtraction? If 0 is subtracted from any number, 0 is subtracted from any number, you will get the same number. What is second one? If number is subtracted from the itself, you will get 0 as difference. 0 as difference. What is the third one? If 1 is subtracted from any number. 1 is subtracted from any number. You will get the predecessor of that number. If 1 is subtracted from any number, you will get the predecessor of that number. This is the properties of subtraction. 3 properties of subtraction. See, in today's class, what you learn in today's class? Addition of the numbers. Just you revise once, right? See, addition, adding numbers are called addends, and the result is called sum or total. In subtraction, the number subtracted from any number, that number is called the minuend, and the number subtracted, that number is called the subtrahend, and the result of the subtraction is called difference. And what are the 3 properties of additions and 3 properties of subtraction? See, it's my turn. They are given in your book. That is the revision of 4th standard. What you did in 4th standard, same sums. Okay, children? Same sums means it is not the same numbers. You know that one. 5 digits, addition, subtraction. You will do know? That is your homework. It's my turn. And check pointer 2.1, you can do it, that one, addition without regrouping, with regrouping, and with regrouping, without regrouping, subtraction. You will do no, children. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, children. Thank you.